What are adjectives? In short, adjectives are describing words. Generally, adjective is the word which gives us answer for these type of questions. Which one, what kind, how many, whose. Adjective tells us what color, what size, what shape, what taste, what odor, what texture, what sound, what number, what weather. In general, it makes the noun to be more understandable. Let's see adjective in more detail with some examples. In the first sentence, we live in a blue house. House is a naming word, that is a noun. So the word which describes house is blue. It is a blue house. So the word describing is called as adjective. Here blue is an adjective. In sentence, hardworking students get good grades. Here students is a noun and hardworking is a word which describes students, whether they are hardworking students or lazy students. Same way, grades is a noun and they get good grades is a adjective. Big mountains are beautiful. Here mountains is a noun and the word big and beautiful describe how the mountains look. So that is an adjective. Likewise, in next sentence, my mother is very smart. Smart is an adjective. Smart mentions my mother as very smart. He looks angry. Angry is an adjective. It is the word that describes how he looks. He is happy, sad, angry, everything is an adjective here. He feels excited. Excited is the adjective. It describes how she feels. Next comes degree of comparison. Adjective has 3 degrees that compare one thing to another. Degrees of adjectives are positive, comparative and superlative. Positive degree of adjective is used to describe about only one noun. In this example, this house is big. It describes about only one house. Is a tall student. Student is only one. This flower is beautiful. It addresses only one flower. He is an intelligent boy. It addresses one boy. So positive adjective. Next, let's see comparative and superlative adjectives. Comparative degree of adjective is used to compare two persons or things with each other. For example, this house is bigger than that one. Bigger is an adjective which is used to compare this house with that house. Superlative degree is used to compare one thing with two or more other things. This example, tallest is the adjective. The boy John is compared with all other boys in his family. So it is a superlative degree of adjective. Sentence, he works the hardest employee of all, the employee in this office. One employee is compared against all other employees. So it is a superlative degree. It was the most boring film I have ever seen. One film which is compared to all other movies. Sally dances the most gracefully of all the participants. Sally dances more gracefully with all other participants. Sally is compared against all other participants. So this is a superlative degree of adjective. Make comparative and superlative more clear with some more examples. In this example, the first boy is funny. That is a adjective. And the second boy is funnier. Compared to the first boy, the second boy is funnier. That is a comparative adjective. And the third boy is most funniest. That means comparing to rest of the two boys, the third boy is most funniest. That is superlative. Likewise, the boy with the cycle is fast. And comparing to the cycle, the boy with the car is faster. And comparing to the cycle and the car, aeroplane is the more fastest one. That is a superlative. Faster is a comparative and fast is a positive adjective. Simple chart that explains positive, comparative and superlative adjectives more clearly. Long, longer, longest. Long is a positive adjective. Longer, when compared to long, it's longer. Comparative adjective, the longest. When compared to long and longer, the longest is the superlative adjective. Happier, the happiest. Beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Coordinate adjectives. Coordinate adjectives are simply two or more adjectives that describe the same noun. Example, it was a beautiful sunny day last Saturday. Last Saturday was described with two adjectives, beautiful and sunny. Coordinate adjectives should be separated by a comma or the word and in between. Adjectives are said to be coordinate if they modify the same noun in a sentence. Going to be a long, cold winter. Both long and cold is separated by a comma here. Dedicated and tireless efforts made all the differences. Dedicated and tireless is separated by a word and. Thanks for watching.